tvoj Manchester United? Ja ću City, ajde. Gradski derbi.
Just to ease my mind, 'cause if I don't walk, then I get caught out, and I'll be falling all the way down. 100 headlights, making me right. All of your thoughts, catching my eyes. If I jump once, then I never think twice. But you're making me stay another night. And my senses only lie to me, lie to me. I don't know how it feels so right to me, right to me. I gotta check myself before I get what I want. But it's not what I thought it was. And you know I gotta slow up, gotta take this time. Gotta take a minute just to ease my mind. 'Cause if I don't walk, then I get caught out, and I'll be falling all the way down. Tell myself I'm still strong. Won't look back till I'm 10 miles on. And when the road stops, I'm gonna keep on until I end up in the place that I belong. But the pressure's pushing me back again, telling me not to pretend there's any use even trying to get you out my head. So I lift my feet off the ground and I'm gonna walk right up. Gotta slow down, gotta shake this high. Gotta take a minute just to ease my mind. 'Cause if I don't walk, then I get caught out. And I'll be falling all the way down. Turn my head, shut my eyes.
Ali sve, ljudi, da ne pominjamo i bili smo prošlu utakmicu. On je meni dao neki škotski klub. Znači, neko najgore stanje u FIFA, a on je igrao sa Barcelonom. I ja sam ga napunio 2-0, pritom sam mu dao gol slobodnjaka.
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of the Barclays Premier League.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. David De Gea starts in goal. Phil Jones starts with Chris Smalling in central defence. Angel Di Maria starts alongside Marouane Fellaini in the middle of the park. In attack, Falcao joins up front with Wayne Rooney. Manchester City's lineup today. Joe Hart starts in goal. Pablo Zabaleta starts with Dalglish as the wide defenders. Yaya Toure plays alongside Fernandinho in the middle of the park. Sergio Aguero is the sole striker. Fellaini. Can he turn away from the challenge here? Two really hit the heights, haven't they? Manchester City have got to do better in Europe, I guess.
Yeah, I think they have. It takes time. You look at Manchester United and how long it took them, but they're heading in the right direction. They made a better fist of it last season under Pellegrini. No shame in going out to Barcelona.
Phil Jones. Rojo. Here's Rooney. Wayne Rooney given different jobs by international level. Will be first shot. Rojo. Defending, he's away. Here we are with Manchester United in a game that could be fairly even. Excellent positioning, and the interception is made. Sergio Aguero, and that's a very successful slide tackle. Manchester United They've won a corner. Well, the goalkeeper wouldn't want to be beaten from there, and he made sure he wasn't spectacularly.
Yeah, this is a good keeper, and you wouldn't be expecting to get beaten from there.
Sergio Aguero. We could be in. He's on his way now. Got to be. Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal.
A goal from Aguero, and he's just hit it so hard that it's gone over the keeper's head and he hasn't got time to react.
Manchester City in front. Antonio Valencia. Falcao. David De Gea. Silva. Mata. Ashley Young. Wants to cross it. Oh, in goes the cross. Cross is blocked, Big corner for Manchester United, who are trailing. Yaya Toure. Well, he's running out of time now to get more goals to add to the 10 he's got so far, only 10.
Yeah, and it's probably going to turn into a disappointing campaign for this lad.
Saw it all the way, the goalkeeper, and it's comfortable in the end. Clichy. Nasri. Got to cross it. David Silva in the middle. Oh, the cross cut out by the defender. And by Manchester United's high standards, this hasn't been a great start. Jesus Navas. In with a chance. Great hands. Sergio Aguero's World Cup was a cameo of his season with Manchester City, the 2013-14 campaign. He played, he often looked less than fully fit. Sergio Aguero. Well, that's gone back to him. Well, it's risky for the goalkeepers to try and catch the ball these days, but he's caught this one. Knew exactly where he wanted to head that. Close range chance, got to be. That's the way to keep it out. Manchester United have this corner and a chance to hit back. Came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. Sergio Aguero. The ball has gone up to indicate 3 added minutes. Can he clear his lines now? Good control here. Quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. Fellaini. Manchester United moving into the attack. Comes in now. Still shaking. Well, they've got the corner now to try and get themselves level. Wayne Rooney on song all season, really, by his standards. He's up to 12 now.
Yeah, and he's looked lively, hasn't he? He's had a spring in his step.
Mata! That's the goalkeeper's ball. He's kept it. He's not getting away from here. Setting the ball rolling for the second half, Manchester United. Rooney on the attack. He tried to chip the keeper, and he's reached it well. Oh, he loves that, doesn't he? And it's come off for him again. Chris Smalling. Excellent positioning, and the interception is made.
Goes at pace, Di Maria. Defender, no chance.
Now across Angel Di Maria.
Scored one similar to this myself, Martin. Good header to the keeper's right.
Back at level pegging again at 1-1. Now here on the attack is Aguero. Another decent try. It's been level in this match. Aguero. Well, offside. By the proverbial mile.
The scored from it, but you hope that they're not going to get caught up offside back.
Ashley Young. Juan Mata crossing. And it's matched by the save. United's corner. It looked nice, but the opponent read it. Trying to win the ball back. Here's the chance. Corner now for Manchester City. Well, here we can see the corner count so far. Aguero! Keeper really stretched, and he's made a fine diving save. Can't get it away. Corner again. That's what the team was designed to do. Just couldn't finish it off.
Yeah, I just wonder whether they can get away with that corner kick routine again.
Aguero. Manchester City are on the attack now. Goes to David De Gea. Silva. Now offside. Jesus Navas. Rojo. Jesus Navas. Michaelis. Aguero. That's very well read, and that's a very good interception. Just bobbles through, easy for the goalkeeper. Silva. Ashley Young. Angel Di Maria. He read it, cut it out. cross. Ashley Young crossing. And that cross is knocked away by the defender. Sergio Aguero. Fouled by the Manchester United man. Zabaleta. Yaya Toure. Now they can launch a counter-attack. That would be the keeper's ball. Throw here. And Clichy. Minutes left on the clock, plus whatever the referee chooses to add on. Dived away the keeper to keep it out. It's tough for the defenders, they keep conceding these corners. Good handling of the shot by the goalkeeper. They've got the ball on the pitch here. Right hands. Well, to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. Vincent Kompany. It's one back. Sergio Aguero coming forward. Played in by Jesus Navas. Dealt with by the defender, the cross. Here's Rooney.
Dobro, evo. Mi nemamo ključ. Gdje su lopte? Gdje su lopte? Evo su ovdje ima jedno. A dosta nam jedno. Sad ćemo vidjeti. Evo. Ne treba nam, ne treba. Koliko modrici? Dobro, daj druga. Gdje je bušno? Daj da vidim. Gdje je? Šta je bušno? Pa nije to. A ovdje su ove nove što smo doneli iz zemlje. Ovo su iz zemlje.
Pa valjda bi čuo da sam ti nešto...
Ajde da...
A ja ću sa malim reći.
Dobro,
Vidi koliko ih imaš pozadi, zato ne mogu ja to...
Ajde ti zaključaj i mi idemo dobro. Mi ćemo mi ovdje ispred grada.
Dobro, pa neki retire.
Pa ćemo doći za ruku.
Pa neki retire.
Šta ćete?
Pa meni ja ću jave. Si izbacio na vas, ti ne slušaš. Ajde.
Pa moram da sačekam bar.
O, 90 minuta.
Dobro, moram da zbavim.
Ja ću instant triple moj gol.
Joj, mnogo se važe taj kvalitet.
A evo.
Još
Da. Zaboravili smo da ispočemo snimanje. A dobro, nema veze. Dobro ljudi, vrati se ovaj Mare.
Manchester City, the substitute is ready. Good challenge from Di Michaelis. Sergio Aguero. He's got space. Got to be. Well, they've got a corner. They're pretty late in the game now. It could be a winning moment, this. Brilliant opening. They have the lead.
Zadnji minut mi dao.
Great goal from Aguero, and the way he spotted it. The keeper. Fantastic finale to the game.
Evo ga Beloros da
Very
se
late
ispao
goal with extra time looming.
Ovako krem, znate.
It's been a very tight game here, and the referee brings it to a halt with a final score of 2-1.
Vidjeli ste, ovo je jedan od
They've
najboljih
got all the
gola
rights of bragging around the town now.
To se zove gol. Dobro ljudi, znači, nadam se da će vam se svidjeti ova utakmica i vidimo se u nekim sljedećim epizodi. Ajde Milo, što pusti sad neku pesmu za kraj. Zašto opet pesma u intro?
Gotta slow up, gotta shake this.
Pockets of fantasy world. Bang the decks.
Dobro ljudi, znači, čuli ste Miloševu posljednju pesmu, pa nije baš...
Si en mi barrio
Da,
se mueven los pies.
malo te kažem da mi
Alegre en
ljubav
la calle se formó el bembé.